In this video, we are going to talk about these three questions. First, we're going to start with what's new in Windows Phone 8.1 OS, how to create first app in Visual Studio 2013, and how to deal with the page orientations in Windows Phone apps. Now, first I want to discuss about history of Windows Phone operating system. As we know, the Windows Phone 7.0 was based on Silverlight, and in the following version like 7.5 and 8.0 also, Microsoft is following only Silverlight things. People develop an application in XAML and they write a code in C# and VB in all these versions. But now, in Windows Phone 8.1 operating system, we have different flavors. Like, as we know, they are still following Windows Phone 8.1 Silverlight XAML, which is based on the XAML UI, and you can write a code in C# and VB. But in this also, we have a flavor which is, you can use Windows Phone 8.1 WinRT also. In this WinRT, we are able to write a code which is in future we are going to migrate into Windows Store 8.1 apps also. It means it is something like we are able to create a universal app kind of thing in which your same code, your same XAML, your same kind of UI and 80% of the things you can reuse in your Windows Store apps. Other than that, as we know that Windows Store apps also supports HTML5, CSS and jQuery and JavaScript also. They have provided this support also for Windows Phone 8.1 OS. So for developers, now we have three options. Either we deal with the Windows Phone WinJS and HTML5 and all, or we deal with the XAML architecture, and in that also we have two options. Like either we follow Windows Phone 8.1 Silverlight, which is something for backward compatibility. If you want to create an app which should be something like Windows Phone 8.0, 7.5 and all that, then you have to follow that path. Or suppose if you are planning to move towards a XAML application which is going to be migrated or which is going to be created somewhere in the same kind of Windows Store app also, then you have to follow Windows Phone 8.1 WinRT. Now before I move forward, I would like to clarify that in this video, I'm going to concentrate about XAML, but I'm not going to concentrate about the basics of XAML. We are going to use XAML in Windows Phone app development with C# and all. But I'm assuming that you guys are already familiar with the WPF XAML or something like that. If you're not familiar with WPF XAML, I request you to follow our WPF video series in Quest form. As we know that first when Microsoft launched XAML with WPF, that was meant for some heavy applications like a desktops and all. But later on they launched something which is known as Silverlight. In this they have changed the flavor of XAML, and in this they have added some new extra facilities inside that which is meant for some lightweight application. Like, as we know, Silverlight was running that XAML on browser, and at that time also they launched something which is for Windows phones. Now in the coming versions, like with the Windows Phone 8.1, as we have already discussed that we have a XAML which is actually based on Silverlight also, which is actually based on WinRT also. So this is something which is the latest thing, which is more lightweight XAML and which works for Windows Store apps as well as Windows Phone apps. Somehow in this video series, we are going to concentrate about Silverlight XAML as well as WinRT XAML, but we are not going to discuss about WPF XAML and the basics of that thing. Now I think it's time to create my first Windows Phone app. I'm going to click on new project, and you can see that when I do new project under C#, I'm having one option which is actually something like store apps. Inside the store apps we have three options, like either I want to create a universal app which you can see is for both tablets and phones, or I can create a particular Windows app only for tablets and desktops and all. And if I click on Windows Phone apps, in this also we have two flavors. If you see in the first section, we have some apps which are having a word Windows Phone in the bracket, like we have a templates, blank app, hub app, pivot app, different things. Now my starting few templates are having this Windows Phone word in that. It shows me that this app belongs to WinRT XAML. And if I scroll down a little bit, you can see that there are some apps with the name blank app which are having a bracket and a word Windows Phone Silverlight. This is something which I have discussed in my earlier session, that this Windows Phone Silverlight is that version which is backward compatible. In our video series, we are going to select blank app of Windows Phone Silverlight. I'm assigning a simple name first app, and I'm going to click on OK. I'm selecting Windows Phone 8.1 operating system. Now you can see my Windows Phone app is created, and we have a simple UI of our Visual Studio. As we know that our pages are in a XAML format and we have a code behind in C#. Now in this sample, first I am going to deal with my main page.xaml. As you can see, I have a main page.xaml which is having one grid control and some simple layout and commented code is there. In my case, I don't want this commented code, so I'm going to select this. I'm going to delete this. Because this is my first sample, I'm going to keep this thing very simple. I have a one simple grid inside which I'm going to add one media element tag. Just for your knowledge, this media element tag is useful to play a video. I'm going to assign a name to this, something like video 1, and then I'm going to specify some properties like height of this will be 400, width 460, and I'm going to specify that the vertical alignment for this will be stretched so that my video will be in the center. I'm going to paste one of the video file inside my assets folder so that I can bind this thing with that. So I have a video file with the name cameo.something in that, and I'm going to connect my source property of my media element with this video. So as you can see that my source of that video is now connected with this. Without wasting time, we are going to run this in my emulator. Before I run this thing, you can notice this thing that when we run this thing, you can see in my Visual Studio we have different flavors of Windows Phone 8.1 emulators, starting from 4-inch to 6-inch phones. Right now we are going to select the default one, which is taking a less memory, 4-inch one. I'm going to run this, and you can see that once I'm doing this thing, it's loading my new Windows Phone 8.1 emulator, which is having number of things which are almost similar to Windows Phone. As you can see, it's running in my Windows Phone emulator. I just want to concentrate on one thing. If you see in this emulator on the right top corner, we have this bar which is having different buttons. I'm going to explain some buttons later on, but right now I just want to concentrate on these two buttons which are having this buttons for rotations. If you see, if I click on this will rotate my emulator and this will change the orientation of that thing from portrait to landscape. Right now you can notice that when I'm changing my emulator from portrait to landscape, my video is not changing because I have not written any code for that, and the by default setting of my app is it supports only portrait. So if I change this thing to portrait, then and then this will work like this, and my video and my inside application settings are not changing that thing based on my emulator portrait mode. Okay, so next step is we need to deal with the orientation. I just want to concentrate on these two properties which are there in this page. If you see, there is a property which is supported orientation, and here we have options that either there will be portrait or landscape, or there is the option landscape. In my case, I am going to select that my application supports both portrait or landscape. This orientation property is actually something for the default orientation. I don't want to specify any default orientation, so I am just removing that. And in spite of this, I am firing one event handler for the page, and that event handler is actually orientation changed. I am hitting tab and once again tab. When I do this, XAML is very smart. It can generate an event handler for you. So if I go to my code behind, you can see that the event handler for that orientation change for my page is automatically generated. Now I'm going to write some simple code inside this which will change my application orientation based on my emulator settings. I'm specifying if e.orientation and my page orientation will be portrait is equals to my page orientation dot portrait. So first I'm specifying a condition that if my orientation is portrait, then I'm going to specify some properties. Else I'm going to specify some other things. It's very simple logic right now. I need to specify that my vid1, that's the name of my video, dot height will be same which I have given into this, that is 400, and width will be 460. And now I'm going to do some changes in this, and I'm going to specify that this time when I rotate this thing, height will be 460 and width will be suppose 840. We are almost done. Let's run this. This time if I run this, you can see that it's running in a portrait mode by default. If I'm going to click on this button, it's changing into landscape mode, but this time my video is also rotating with that. You can see because my page is supporting both the orientations, portrait and landscape, it's automatically changing to this, and I'm specifying just a property for the height and width so that my video can fit into that screen. Even I can deal with the full screen and all, but I'm not doing that thing in this video because this is my first video of the series. We'll do some advanced kind of video customization later on.